In the annals of Islamic history, the life of Imam Hasan Askari shines as a beacon of faith and resilience, despite the challenging circumstances that surrounded his martyrdom. Imam Hasan Askari, the 11th Imam, was born into a world of oppression and secrecy. His life unfolded during a time when the followers of AHLULBAYT faced persecution. From a young age, Imam Hasan Askari exhibited exceptional knowledge and piety, earning the respect of scholars and the love of his followers. Yet, his life was marked by relentless surveillance and restrictions imposed by the Abbasid rulers, who viewed the Imams as a threat to their power. Despite these hardships, Imam Hasan Askari continued to guide and teach his followers, emphasizing the importance of patience, prayer, and unwavering faith. Sadly, his life was cut short at the age of just 28, as he was martyred by giving poison by the Abbasid ruler. His passing was a tragic loss to the Muslim world.